Hey guys, it's Alex. I'm here to show you our amazing revision guides. The one we're going to be looking at today is one of the most popular Edexcel GCSE units. It's called Weimar and Nazi Germany. These guides are super useful for your students because they provide clear and concise answers for all the questions they might have. So if we just look at page 46, you can see it up here, we're going to look at the Munich Putsch in 1923. So as you can see, the format is completely different to a typical textbook. It's all divided into key content that your students will need to know. So here we can see what it was, when it was, what caused it, what happened, and what were the consequences. You can also see that some words are highlighted in color. These are key words which will help to further your students' understanding and can be found in the glossary. You might also notice that some of the words have little page numbers beside them. This is sort of little directions so that you know. For example, it says the essay here and it says page 43 next to it. If you flip to page 43, you'll find all the information on the essay. Again, these are super useful for your students' revision because it means that they can make their own revision materials out of it, like flashcards and mind maps. And at the beginning of the book on page 9, I believe it is, there's a revision suggestions sort of place where you can find all the sort of different ideas of how to revise if your students don't know maybe what the best thing for them to do is. Or they could go and make an account at www.gcchistory.com and go to the quizzing feature and pick the subtopics that they want to study and sort of test themselves and follow their progress. This is one of the 9 Edexcel GCSE guides that we have, and I'm sure that whether your students choose to use the guide or the app or even both, they're going to do really well on their exams.